Look what I found. Of course the cross bolts and stuff, but the fact that there are Doomland darts, a Lawbringer, a Rotofear Dominator, and a Modulus is just awesome. That is awesome, guys. Oh, one sec. Let's see what we got in the Lego aisle. Nothing too new to me. Some DC stuff, some stuff. Oh, Mega Bloks. Where are those? Ooh, they have some of the micro worlds here. There's some Simpsons figs. Mega Bloks. There's not really much Mega Bloks wise, guys. Nope. Let's go look at some more Nerf guns. Where are they? Here they are. Nerf. Why aren't any of the new guns in this aisle? That's my question. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks. Wow. Well, just the new guns. That was a big surprise. Let's see what. Okay. Bye.